breaches, they still continue to happen.
Yeah, the agriculture industry just seem to be carrying on. They're just one after another at the moment. So we've had a strawberry farmer up north come out and been fined $6,000 because he didn't meet the employee's minimum rights, so no written agreement, didn't keep holiday records and leave records, etc. For some reason, the agriculture industry just doesn't get their heads around it, and they really need to step up. The labour inspectors have come out and said they're going to keep an eye on, especially this, because it's coming up to picking season for the strawberry farmers. And if they see this sort of thing going on, they're going to clamp down straight away, because it's just an ongoing issue, and it's not just that industry, it's across the whole agricultural sort of sector.
So this is different to somebody going through a claims court because they think they were dismissed unfavourably.
Yeah, very different. This is basically the employer not doing what they're supposed to do. So they've got to give everyone a written employment agreement, pay them a minimum wage, keep record of their holidays, make those records available. This is the things they're not doing. So they just completely ignored it, started paying some people to work on the farm basically, and didn't do the rest of this behind the scenes stuff because probably too time consuming for them and can't be bothered, hoping they'll never get caught.
But they will be.
Yeah, and it's just now that this has been red flagged, and there's been a few other cases that have come out where employers aren't doing their thing, you can expect there'll be more and more coming.
Who's tipping IRD off?
Well, in this case, it was the workers themselves. They put the complaint through that they weren't getting their agreements, they weren't aware of their holiday entitlements, and they couldn't even get evidence of what holidays they had and what they're entitled to. So they were the ones that started doing the complaining. They're obviously quite clued up on that. But a lot of the workers would just sort of carry on as if it was the norm.
Well, the workers may not know themselves, of course.
Well, exactly, yeah. But as an employer, you've got to do your legal responsibilities. You can't sort of sidestep them.
And then there's KiwiSaver.
Yeah, well, KiwiSaver on top of all that you got to do. So really, it's a case of if you're taking on staff, even if they're only seasonal workers, put a call into the accountant. The accountants know it all, and they can guide you through that process, so you can avoid these fines and all these prosecutions that are happening.
Some accountants, or I know, will actually do the payroll.
Yeah, we do that for a lot of people, and all accountants are set up for it. They'll either do it in-house for you, or they can help you with an option that you can do it yourself, depending on which way you want to go. In reality, it's more cost effective for your accountant to do it, because there's less chance of mistakes being made, especially around the holiday leave and your KiwiSaver calculations, those sort of things.
And there's computer systems?
There's a lot of computer options out there. There's some where they're actually on the computer, what they call a desktop solution, or there's some in the cloud where it's all over the internet. So it's just a matter of talking to your accountant, finding out what they recommend and what's going to meet your needs.